All right, there's the parts. There's the part numbers. There's the parts. There's the part numbers. So, let's see about getting this set up. Whoa. All right. So we got the hanger bracket. We got the tensioner to undo. So we got a little bit of effort. Again, nice, easy tension. You can see why we're off gassing this one here. There we go. Tension has been relieved. Now we come here. Ow. Ensuring that you had it top dead centered before you started this. You take this belt off, that motor ain't in time, you're gonna have a problem. So there's that tensioner. All right, and go ahead and get this other tensioner back in play while the belt is still where it needs to be. Full disclosure, this is the second time I did this video attempt. The first one, damn, iPhone storage got full halfway through the video and I didn't recognize it. So now we got to change this hanger. Remember, that's not a shelf. Neither is the flywheel. So you can see the difference in the hangers. This one's just got a little spring spot on it. Make sure it's facing towards your tensioner when you install it. There's a reason I ain't did many videos recently. It's summertime. Before that, that last class, right before summer. Oh my, that was a good one. All right, now, got our tensioner spring. Install it. All right, and again, that spring is all the tension this system needs. Apply the torque, you're good to go. So that's what it takes to swap that fella from this one to this setup on a 150 if you got an older style. You got an older style, you got a bad tensioner, you can update it with this. So with that one, hope that helped. Sorry it took so long to get it out. Well, verify that you didn't lose time when you had this off, but good to go.